Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by laying out ingredients. 12 Oz dry short pasta, 8 slices bacon, 2 cups have cherry tomatoes, 2 stalk celery sliced, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, and 1 cup mayonnaise. Measure 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Have 1/4 cup grated Parmesan optional and 1/4 cup reserved bacon drippings or 2 tablespoons olive oil for dressing. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil the 12 Oz pasta in heavily salted water to al dente, typically 9 to 11 minutes for pen or rotini. Taste for slight bite. While pasta cooks, crisp 8 slices bacon in a skillet for about 8 to 10 minutes, then drain on paper towels and crumble once cool. Reserve 1/4 cup hot pasta water before draining, then rinse pasta briefly under cold water to stop cooking and cool it for salad. Cooling prevents wilted tomatoes and preserves texture. In a large bowl, combine cooled pasta, crumbled bacon, 2 cups have cherry tomatoes, 2 sliced celery stalks, and 1/4 cup chopped parsley. Whisk a dressing from 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 2 tablespoons reserved bacon drippings or olive oil. Thin with up to 1/4 cup reserved pasta water as needed. Toss everything until evenly coated. Taste and adjust seasoning. Chill the salad for 30 minutes to meld flavors, toss again, and serve. Refrigerate leftovers up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.